Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, oil-free, nut-free, gluten-free, flourless, low-fat, high-protein, super quick and easy, super healthy, super fudgy brownies made with chickpeas, but taste so good and they're so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a jar or can of chickpeas. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a blender. Along with a cup of dates. Half a cup of cocoa powder. A quarter cup of ground flaxseed. And a cup of a plant-based milk. Next, blend it until super smooth. And pour it into a baking tin. Now bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Let it cool. And enjoy super fudgy and super healthy brownies. Thanks for watching.